So the issue is the reports जे रिवर्स आर इतली पोल्युटेड आमोडारी आणि त्याच भायर ते आता Arabian Sea is polluted म्हणून दाखयला and it is a big alarm not only for tourism also but also the fishing community. So as village Panchayat Kavelasim, I have called a meeting with all the star hotels which are existing, the major one and including two private jetties which are operating in Moba. So together St. Regis Hotel, together chief engineer and a maintenance manager, Holiday Inn, Novotel, Radisson, Old Anchor, Bike Hotel, Hatimal, आणि तुगेले सिल्वा फिशरीज आणि तुगेले मोब्रार फिशरीज. सो हेंगेले आमगे सगळे रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आयिल्ले आणि आय हॅव गिवन देम सम गायडलायन्स. And what is the guideline about? First of all, they should not release or monitor anything which is coming in the river. म्हणजे कितें न्हंयत आनी दर्यांत कांय वचपा जायना. स्लज, ड्राय स्लज आहा तेमी प्रॉपर डिस्पोज करपा जाय आनी तेंगेली वेट गार्बेज. आतां जायते जाण हॉटेलां गेले कितें कोताय तेंगेले प्रायवेट लोक तेंगेले वताय कितें वताय गार्बेज वताय मॉर्निंग. बट दे शुड गिव इट टू द authorized agents, authorized person who is disposing that waste properly, some dry or waste, they have to dispose it properly. पयलीं ते म्हाका वताले थोडीशी गार्बेज दुकानां घाताले आनी कितें घाताले आनी तेजेर पोट भरताले. आतां तो टायम गेलो. So they need to make sure whoever hotel is giving, they need to make sure they dispose it to the proper agents.